Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show when I'm a first or top fan on SoundCloud application. So how to show when I'm a first or top fan in modules on SoundCloud application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the SoundCloud app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the SoundCloud app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right. And it appears like this. Tap Social Settings menu. And tap Show when I'm a first or top fan. So that's it, tutorial how to show when I'm a first or top fan on SoundCloud application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.